Laredo Visa. Stamping border trip. This video explains the pedestrian border crossing process at the gateway to the Americas International Bridge, also known as Bridge 1, in Laredo, Texas. First, drive to downtown Laredo and park near Bridge 1. Paid parking is available around the outlet shops at Laredo on Water Street. After parking, keep all your immigration documents with you and begin walking through the Water Street area. Look for the signs marked "To Mexico." Follow these signs toward the pedestrian entrance of Gateway to the Americas International Bridge. As you approach the crossing, continue following the designated pedestrian route. Keep some U.S. cash and coins with you, as a pedestrian toll may be required. Enter the southbound pedestrian crossing and walk toward Mexico. Stay inside the designated pedestrian walkway, follow all posted signs, and continue all the way across the bridge. When you reach the Mexico side, follow the pedestrian route and current instructions from border personnel. The routing can change, so always follow official directions rather than relying only on this video. After completing the turnaround, proceed toward the pedestrian entrance for returning to the United States. This is an important part of the trip. For the return crossing, join the general pedestrian line unless an officer specifically directs you to another lane. Keep U.S. coins available for the pedestrian turnstile. Continue through the northbound pedestrian route until you reach U.S. Customs and Border Protection. At the first CBP officer, clearly explain the immigration status or visa admission you are requesting and present the appropriate documents. Answer all questions clearly, briefly, and truthfully. Your answers should be consistent with your immigration and supporting documents. Additional document review or secondary inspection may occur. Once CBP completes the inspection and admits you into the United States, check your electronic I-94 record and make sure your class of admission and other information are correct. Remember, border procedures, tolls, pedestrian routing, and inspection procedures can change. Always follow the current instructions provided by CBP, Mexican authorities, and bridge personnel. Safe travels, and I hope this video makes your Laredo border trip easier and less confusing.